Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, TTT, trying to trade, and today we got another video for you guys. I really appreciate all the support and the people watching my content. I'm just trying to educate you guys and hopefully show you some things I didn't know back in the day when I started trading like 2 years ago, so we can make money together and we can learn along the way. So in today's video we're going to talk about credit spreads. It's a tactic I used to use back in the day before using the wheel strategy. So pretty much it consists of you finding a stable stock that can be SPY, which is the S&P 500, or QQQ, or VTI, just something that's like an index. So when you click options right here, trade options, you can see the expiration days right here. You can see that it's a constantly, it's pretty short. So it's like 2 days, usually it's 21st and 24th. So there's a lot of expiration dates in 1 week for your SPY especially. So for an example, we can use tomorrow. Since today is the 13th, is a Thursday. Tomorrow expiration, the 14th. So first of all, you want to make sure to click sell for this strategy. So you're selling a put. So you're betting that the stock won't go below a certain mark, which is kind of like a bullish indicator in a way. It's a bullish option, bullish leg. So SPY is currently trading at $468.93, almost at 467. I'll just round up for the sake of the video. 467. So you usually want to find something pretty far away. So 467, we can do 469. My bad, I was counting right. So 468. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do $4. SPY has to go below $4 in order for me to lose money. So I'll do $4. So you click sell, you click buy a leg right under it. So right here you can see we created a put credit spread. I'll make videos explaining how to do a debit spread, and then I'll put credit call credit spread, which is the opposite. You believe the stock is bearish, which is kind of confusing, but I'll make videos for each one of these topics, like debit spreads and credit spreads, so you guys can understand a little bit better. So right here we made sure to click sell for this leg. Our strike is 466 and we bought under it at 465. So SPY has to stay above 466 by tomorrow in order for us to collect the $20 premium, which is a credit. We get this immediately. We can spend it on whatever we want. And yeah, so we did that. SPY is currently at 468. That's pretty good leg room right here. SPY would have to fall $4 today at tomorrow for me to lose the collateral. So when we click continue, we click 1. We want, let's do $20 worth of credit, then review. So as you can see, you're betting $100 as collateral, which we have as buying power, in order to get $20 by tomorrow if SPY decides to fall $4. So we do that, submit, and we have to get fill. If we don't get fill right away, we have to reduce the bid spread, which is pretty much continue. So right here, so we're back in a contract. You see the limit prices. So this is what people are selling it for, and this is what people are buying it for. So you want to go in the middle. So we can simply do $20, the 0.20. You have to multiply times 100. $20. That's in between 21 and that, and we're still not filled. Replace order, continue. Oh, order cannot be canceled. That means it got filled. We go back to the portfolio. We're currently down 224 due to ARC and its dips. We got a message. Our SPY credit spread was filled. So we have a SPY credit spread of worth $20. We got the premium immediately, so it was 100. Subtract. Now we got $76 in buying power. And yeah, that was pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace. And I'll just make more videos related to the call credit spreads, put credit spreads, and debit spreads in general, so you guys can have a better understanding and make money in the markets. Peace. See ya.